here at Nature's Workshop to give you a quick look of what they have available this year. This is one of the most popular booths at the convention. Several times I've walked by to do this Facebook Live, and I can hardly get in because it's been so busy. I am so excited to show you these. I have seen so many sweet little girls walking around with bonnets. Makes me think of the days that my girls played Little House and they were Laura and Mary. There are so many books and games and activities. It is stocked full of stuff. Lots of fun outdoor games and activities to do, and toys, wooden toys. They have just about everything you can imagine or anything you remember from conventions before. It is such a fun booth to come into. Games and activities, books. There are specials. They've got them labeled all over on different racks. And so stop in and see. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.